Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into a topic that many educators grapple with, the difference between group work and cooperative learning. These concepts often get confused, but they serve distinct purposes in the classroom. First, let's define both terms. Group work typically involves students working together on a task, but often they are just divided into groups to complete individual assignments. It's more about the end product than the process. On the other hand, cooperative learning is a structured form of group work where students actively engage in a shared learning experience. In this model, everyone has a specific role, and success depends on the collective effort of the group. So, what are the key differences? Number one, structure. Cooperative learning is highly structured, with defined roles and responsibility for each student, while group work can be more flexible and less organized. Number two, goal orientation. In cooperative learning, the focus is on mastering content together. Group work may lack a shared goal. Number three, assessment. Cooperative learning often includes group assessments and peer evaluations, encouraging accountability. In contrast, group work typically assess individuals based on their contribution to the task. Now let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine a science class where students are conducting an experiment. In group work, they might just split tasks, one person gather materials and other records results, but each work independently. Now, in a cooperative learning scenario, each student has a role. One is the data collector, another the reporter, and another the timekeeper. They must communicate and collaborate to complete the experiment and present their findings together. This way, they all learn from each other and understand the material better. So, how can we implement cooperative learning in our classrooms? Here are a few tips. Number one, create diverse groups. Mix students based on abilities, backgrounds, and interests to encourage varied perspectives. Number two, define roles. Clearly outline roles for each student to ensure everyone contributes. Number three, set shared goals. Establish clear, achievable goals that the group must reach together. Number four, reflect. After the activity, have students reflect on their group dynamics and what they learn from each other. To wrap up, while both group work and cooperative learning involve collaboration, cooperative learning fosters a deeper level of engagement and accountability among students. By understanding and implementing these differences, we can create a more effective and enriching learning environment. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.